Steamed pork rib tips with black bean chili sauce. Ingredients: serves 2 to 3 people. 1.5 pounds of pork. We used rib tips. You can use whatever you like. 1 clove of garlic. 1 stalk of green onion. In the marinade for the pork: 3 slices of ginger, 2 dashes of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, half a teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon of brown sugar, half a tablespoon of black bean chili sauce, half a tablespoon of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of soybean sauce, half a tablespoon of arrowroot powder or cornstarch. Directions: cut the pork into bite-sized pieces. Rinse the pieces of pork in cold water and let them soak for 10 minutes. Drain, let it sit for 5 minutes, and put the pieces into a bowl. Then pat the pork dry with a cloth or paper towel. Prepare the marinade by slicing 3 pieces of ginger, putting it into a bowl, and adding the ingredients we've already mentioned. Stir well, pour over the pork, and mix the marinade and the pork thoroughly. Cover the pork and put it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour, more if possible. Mince the garlic and cut the green onion into 1/4-inch pieces and separate the white pieces from the green. Put a steaming rack into a cooking pot measuring at least 9.5 inches in diameter and at least 4 inches high. Put 4 cups of water into the pot. Take the pork out of the refrigerator, remove the cover, and if the bowl is not the right size for the pot, put the pork into a bowl that fits the pot. Sprinkle the garlic and white part of the green onion on top of the pork. Then put the bowl into the cooking pot and cover. Turn the heat to high, and when the water starts to boil, turn the heat to medium and cook for 30 to 35 minutes. Then turn off the heat and let the food cook for another 5 minutes. Remove the cover and sprinkle the green pieces of the green onion on top. Now you're ready to enjoy your meal. Bon appetit! If you'd like to see more videos like this covering other delicious, nutritious, Chinese-inspired meals, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day.